Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Logue. Seprod, one of Jamaica's manufacturing giants, is marking steady growth even amid a dip in net profit. The company released the data at their 86th annual general meeting.
Seprod's revenue grew by 19%, climbing from $112.5 billion to $133.6 billion, its highest revenue figure to date. Operating profit also inched upwards by 3% to $8.99 billion, while profit before tax held steady at $5.58 billion. However, net profit dipped by 27%, ending at $3.32 billion, primarily due to higher finance costs, which the company says is a deliberate choice to fund strategic investments and acquisitions that are already yielding results.
In total, we invested over $7.7 billion across 2023 and 2024 into production capacity, logistics infrastructure, and strengthening our regional supply chain. These are not just costs. They are a cornerstone of a stronger, future-ready Seprod. Since our last AGM, Caribbean Producers Jamaica officially joined the Seprod family. We increased our ownership stake in A.S. Bryden's holding. These are not merely business transactions, they are transformational.
Since its last annual general meeting, Seprod has been expanding its regional footprint and securing its position as a Caribbean leader in manufacturing and consumer goods. Despite pressure on earnings, Seprod says shareholders haven't been left behind.
In 2024, we declared dividends totaling $1.82 Jamaican cents per share, with an overall payout of $1.3 billion. That's a dividend payout ratio of 51%, among the highest on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. I mean, feel free to give me applause, shareholders. All right? This reflects our continued commitment to delivering value, even as we aggressively scale the business.
Looking ahead, the company says it will use more AI and ERP in its operations, expand exports, and accelerate brand investments. Halshane Burke, TVJ News.
The JSE index advanced by 1,126, while the junior market index declined by 14 points. The winners were led by Epley Limited, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing, VM Investments, and Cargo Handlers Limited. The losers were led by Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, Sterling Investments Limited US dollar shares, Radio Jamaica, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference shares, and Caribbean Cream. 24 stocks traded firm. And foreign currency trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.16. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $118.08. The pound is going for $215.60, while the euro is selling for an average $187.42. And that's the Business Day. News from overseas after the break.